ridden a bike in like who knows how long.
I don't think you've ever ridden a motorcycle.
I was really little if I did.
All right, guys. So we're out here today with our nephews and our cousins. My nephews, their cousins, and we're gonna try and teach them how to ride some pit bikes. Pit bikes are normally the easiest thing to ride,
No pressure.
but with noobs and real life goons,
Yeah.
it may prove to be difficult.
And it's my birthday.
Oh, yeah, it's Talon's birthday today, so we're having some fun with our family. All right, Jordan.
Yeah.
So you're gonna hop on that red bike. It's all automatic. Just do me a favor. If you start panicking, don't hang onto the throttle. Just kind of let go. Take your hand off of it. Revan, show them what to do.
Okay, so usually people when they get scared, they hit a bump and they go, "What?" and just give it full gas, and they start getting dragged by the bike.
Superman.
Hey, why don't you show them what it looks like when they get dragged by the bike?
This is like real life Goon Week.
So this is what happens.
Goon week.
A lot of people do this on accident.
We're gonna do it on purpose for you.
All right, show them what happens, Rev. So this is what happens if you fall off and you can't stop the bike. All right, so start it up for him.
I'm just gonna go around the ring. Like, isn't there a ring around
There's a track. Yeah, just go around the track. Follow right here. You cut in right there.
It's just like
You see the trail right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back.
All right, so all the gears are up. So if you click up twice, that's second gear. Okay, here, put him. I don't want him going towards the truck, dude. Hey, Revan, angle him that way. Jordan, the back brake's the one on the peg. The front brake is the handlebars.
So right here, look
Back
at
brake is
it.
where? Right here.
This is front brake.
Yeah.
Okay. This is back brake.
That's that.
This is shifter.
That's up. That's down.
Oh, up is one. Up is, and then up again is two. And
No,
up
that's
is
brake. That's brake.
See how he's sitting on the back fender?
Yeah.
That's what you don't want to do. Because you have no control that way. The front end gets all light. Just like that. Just like that.
Did you get it?
Just like that.
Awesome.
Just like that. Oh!
You got goon footage.
Just like that.
Oh man.
Hey,
Don't
folks.
sit on the fender. Nice.
We spent a whole week trying to get goon footage one time.
There you
We just
go.
got a whole episode. I was just talking about it too.
Ain't over yet.
I was just hi. You sit on the back seat. You're not gonna have control, and then he
Here's what
just
will
showed you.
Oh,
That's funny.
He's gonna get torn apart in the comments.
What do you think about that, man? What do you think about that? No.
That's your blood, bro.
That's your cousins, man.
Yeah.
No.
It's better.
You better.
I haven't even done anything yet. Careful.
Rabbit, what do you think so far? What are your thoughts on Jordan? Half thumbs up?
It's going down. It's going down.
Hey,
Are you
we're
ready
gonna
to
do
go?
a race start. Practice a race start, okay? Ready? Watch the gate. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Come on. Keep going. I put it in neutral.
All right. Try it again. All right, ready? Watch the gate. 3, 2, 1, go!
The bike, not you.
Oh no!
Whoa! The bike, not you.
Oh no! On, Jordan, come here. I got an idea.
Dude, I just need your feet out. What do you want, man?
Yeah, just hang on to him.
Oh, where do we put our feet? Oh my God! Just out.
Out! All right, ready?
Remember they have nuts, right?
Yeah, they have nuts. They have good nuts.
All about the start.
All right, hey, 1 lap. Guys. Hey, 1 lap.
We're gonna try to eat it.
Ready?
Get good footage.
Hold on a
set, go! That suspension is a nut cruncher.
Yeah, all that weight on there is bouncing. Ball breaker.
Oh! Oh!
Now let's go fast.
Oh! Oh! That was a good race.
Pulled off the pass.
That was a good race.
Turns like I'm on. They're little cheaters. They are little cheaters.
Cheater! That's not the inside
There were
lane.
2 lanes over there.
Yeah, there's 2 lanes.
The other lane's on the outside.
Yeah.
That was good.
He made 3 lanes.
That's called cheating.
Yeah. All right, here goes Taylor. Remember, sit back, sit up in the middle. There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Hold on 1 minute. Hold on. Raven, come here.
So do I shift up and then go?
Yeah, hold on.
Go down the gas. Yeah, let off the gas. Shift.
Hold on. Wait a minute, okay?
You're not buckling the helmet. If you crash, it's gonna fall off.
Come buckle it.
What?
Come buckle it.
And that's how you park your bike GOON style.